Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel, Naturallyads here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video I'm bringing you a plan with me for the week beginning January 24th to the 30th 2022 in my memory planner. I'm using the Lunar New Year kit from Caress Press, and I also paired it with the red Lunar New Year foil from Caress Press, and I added some sparkly red foil from the Planner Pixie Co. and from Rose-Colored Days. So before I start, first thing, obviously this is not the week of Lunar New Year, it is the next week, but that was the week of my birthday and my baby shower, so I really wanted to use a kit for that, but I wanted to use this kit, so I used it the week before. Also, as you can see, this is not a normal plan with me again. I lost half of the footage for this, and then I had some other footage, but then that footage got corrupted, so this is basically my second time filming a voiceover for this. Well, I'm filming it live, but you know what I mean. Yeah, so if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave, and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. So once again, you're going to see that after the pen spread, so excuse my handwriting. This week I was 35 weeks pregnant, so my baby was the size of a honeydew. And I got a new mortgage offer this week, and I used a scribbler with a present to note that. So I'm going to zoom in and talk through the day by day with you. So this January script up here is from Planner Hannah. Okay, so on Monday I used a paper and milk Lunar New Year sticker to note work. I noted that I was really sleepy with a pillow sticker from Carly Plans and a Sleepy AF script from SBC. I then used a paper Shire Lunar New Year sticker to note being busy at work. The Busy AF script is from Carly Plans. I noted having cooking club with these chopstick stickers from the Paper Milk Lunar New Year sheet and a cook script from Sugar Box Stickers. Down to the bottom, I used these lanterns from the Paper Shire Lunar New Year kit to note binge watching Plan With Me. The binge Plan With Me script is from Temp Loves Craft, so I tried to use a lot of the Lunar New Year stickers in this spread to mark things, just so that it could be on theme. I used this controller sticker from Carly Plans and a video game script from Make Plans to note my husband gaming. And then I noted a YouTube binge with a YouTube play button from Carly Plans and a YouTube binge script from Planner Hannah. And then I noted going to bed early with a bed sticker from Carly Plans and a bed early custom script from Carly Plans as well. On to Tuesday. So the top of Tuesday, I used an alarm clock from the foil bundle and an up early script from Planner Hannah to note waking up early. I noted having to go and get my blood drawn with a blood cylinder sticker from the Crafty Planner. Then noted quickly going to Mum's house to eat some breakfast with a house sticker from Carly Plans. And then I noted being a bit moody this day, I think probably like my mum if I'm honest, with this character from the Little Cat Studio and a Moody Madam custom script from Adorably Amy Designs. I went to work with another Paper Milk sticker and a work script from the foil bundle. Then noted getting some baby gifts with this present icon. I think this is from a leftover from paper candy art kit. Then I noted covering in reception with this Chinese dragon sticker from the Paper Milk sheet. And then marked more video games from my husband with this controller sticker from Carly Plans and a video game script from Mick Plans. I noted being super tired with these slipper stickers from Carly Plans and a Tired AF script from SBC. And then I noted going to bed early with a bed sticker and a bed early script, both from Carly Plans. And this is the boxes in the extender. So I don't have enough boxes obviously because Caress Press only has 8 boxes, so I used a Christmas lantern sheet from Rose-Colored Days, and then I added some of the deco that came with this kit to make it look more Lunar New Year-ish, and it kind of worked, which I'm happy about. On to Wednesday. So on top of Wednesday I marked being tired with a pillow sticker and a Tired AF script from Sugar Box Stickers. I noted it being cold and rainy with this Stick With The Plan Co Gal. Marked work the same way. Paper Milk foil bundle. I used this balloon icon from the kit and an awesome day script from Tilly Jones to note that it was a good day at work. I noted that my husband was starting to kind of get into the mode of a dad and start getting excited for the baby with the sticker from the Papershire Father's Day sheet and a Daddy Time script. There was a custom from Randy.plant. I noted being really stressed with a Stress AF script or sticker from What's Wrong with Love, and then I noted I was in a lot of pain, smashed, this is disgusting, with this icon from Planner Hannah. Then noted going to bed early again, the same way with the Carly Plans duo. So that was the first half of the week. Let's go to the second half. So let's zoom out just a little bit. So starting with Thursday, I marked work the same way, and then I marked being busy also the same way. So this is from Papershire, this is from Carly Plants. I noted getting the new mortgage offer with this bow sticker from the paper milk sheet and a mortgage script from Adobe Amy Designs. I marked video games with Carly Plans and Mick Plans. Down to the bottom, I noted a Plan With Me binge with the lantern from Papershire and the binge Plan With Me script from Temple of Crafts. And then YouTube binge, Carly Plant and Planner Hannah. And are you shocked? Nope, I went to bed early. Well, I fell asleep this time, I think, watching YouTube. But this is a bed sticker from Carly Plants. On to Friday, I used alarm clock sticker from Temple of Crafts and a plate script from SBC to note I woke up late. And then I marked work with the paper milk and foil bundle combo. I used this diaper sticker from Sweet Choir Designs to note that I was gifted a diaper cake. And then this was the first time I think I noticed my feet were swelling. So I used this scale from Joy of Planning to note that, and I actually ended up finishing the sheet the amount of times I had to mark it. I then noted going to my mum's house to check my BP because I was worried about hyperclampsia, something like that. This is from Papershire. And then I used this like mini third box from Elisa's Craft, which I love this size of a box, and they match perfectly with the SBC boxes I was already using. I then used these slipper stickers from Carly Plants to note that it was time for me to start looking for my UGG slides because shoes were not fun anymore, but I couldn't find it this day at my mum's house. I then used this controller sticker from Carly Plants and a video game script from Mick Plants. Then once again noted going to bed early with a bed sticker from Carly Plants and a bed early script from Carly Plants. On to Saturday, this extender, did you even know? Okay, so at the top of Saturday I marked sleeping all day with a bed sticker from Carly Plants and a sleep all day script from SBC. I then marked having some breakfast. I used like this sticker from the Papershire sheet. I don't know what this is, but it was food, so I just used that to note having some eggs and tea. I noted a lazy day with this manila sticker and a lazy day script from Carly Plants. I then noted having a hair appointment with a blow dryer sticker from the kit and an appointment script from the foil bundle. Then I noted my husband playing games with a controller sticker from Carly Plants and a video game script. I noted doing my husband's hair with this comb and scissors icon from the kit. Then marked the Plan With Me binge the same way as Papershire and Temple of Craft. I then noted washing my hair with this girl from JD in Brooklyn and a wash hair script from Planner Hannah. And then I noted a YouTube binge with a YouTube play button from Carly Plants and a YouTube binge script from Planner Hannah. At the bottom of the day I noted cuddling with my husband with this script from SBC and this couple sticker from PMD Stickers. I then noted having some cramps with this cramp scale from Joy of Planning. I noted getting some Morley's, which is basically chicken chips, but I used another food sticker from the Lunar New Year sheet. And then I noted getting some ice cream with another food sticker. This one's from Papershire, this one's from Paper Milk. I think these are peaches and this is dark, but I just wanted to use it. On to Sunday, I noted waking up early with an alarm clock from the foil bundle and an up early script from Planner Hannah. I then noted going to Tesco with my husband with this girl from So Good Planco. I used a grocery script from the foil bundle and a With My Love script from Randy.plans. I think it was on Andrea from SBC's freebie. I then used this icon from the foil bundle to note buying drinks. We're buying drinks for the baby shower. I used this hair sticker from Kylie Plants to do my mum's hair. So after we went to Tesco, bought the drinks, then I went to my mum's house. I then used this slipper sticker from Kylie Plants to note that my husband found my Uggs, which were in my mum's loft. I don't know why I packed them away. I didn't think I would need them, but I clearly did. I then used those cleaning stickers from Valiant Timber and a cleaning day script from the foil bundle to note cleaning the living room, I think, because I had all of my gifts there. I had to tidy up because the baby shower was going to be in the living room. I then used this controller sticker from Kylie Plants and a video game script from Mick Plants to note playing video games. I then used this baby grow sticker from Kylie Plants to note I got some more baby gifts. And then I use this pillow icon from Kylie Plants and a tidy script from Sugar Box Stickers to note being super tired. Okay, let's just open this up so you can see the full wiggle. So obviously I don't have what the leftovers because those have been packed away ages ago because this is from January and I filmed up to June. So I filmed them, but I've edited them, but I haven't done voiceovers, so I'm trying to get those done. So this is the wiggle. I do wish that this foil was sparkly red rather than flat red. I know Kit-ish Girl just said as well that flat red doesn't really shine as well as like sparkly red. Like this shines so much more. Oh, and I have a quote box from Planner Hunter down here too. I didn't mention that. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it. A comment down below to let me know what you thought of this video. I think I said it the last time, but if this, God forbid, ever happens again, would you like me to do it like this, or should I just skip the video completely and just go to the next plan with me? Just let me know. Hopefully this is the last time this happens, because I know the next couple of plan with me's I've edited them and the footage is all good, but just in case. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.